Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'll show you one amazing trick to read the deleted messages on WhatsApp. And if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe, and also do not forget to press the bell icon so whenever a video goes live, you will get notified immediately. Have you ever wanted to read those deleted messages the other person sent to you? I think of course yes. I mean, if you ask me, I am too curious to read those unwanted messages. To know what the other person sent you, there's an app. You have to first install that, which is just less than 2 MB or just a 2 MB app. The app name is Noticeapp. Please go to the Play Store and search Noticeapp. Here you will get the app Noticeapp. Please install this app. Now this is an amazing app. It serves you the purpose. Now just install the app. The app is just of 2 MB of size and it will install quickly. After installing it, just open the app and it will load all the app list which is present in your device, like Hike, WhatsApp, Telegram, whatever that gives you notification. Allow this access. Next, now here in the notification access you have to enable this. Allow. Now let's see whether this app saves the deleted messages or not, and send it. So you can see the message is being sent. Now let me just delete the message. You can see this message was deleted. We can see the message. Now let us open the app. You can see here. See, hi, this message was deleted. So from this mobile I have sent the message hi, and after that I have deleted the message, but this Noticeapp application saved everything I have sent from this mobile. So you can see how you can see your deleted messages in this video. This application needs the notification access to save the notifications in your device, and secondly you will only able to see the text messages and not the images or videos. So that's it for this video guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon. Thank you.